Hi, and welcome to an unboxing of a box of jewelry I got on eBay from a Goodwill store that's in my area. I think it's two lots into one. They combine the shipping, and I love this place. They really are sweet, really sweet people. And I apologize this is so close, but I can't think of any other way to do this until I get more equipment and I'm not such a new YouTuber. I'll be able to focus further away, but I'm using an iPhone and I think it'll be okay. I'm excited because I've been looking for a long time for a silver bracelet, a silver ball bead bracelet, and I think this is going to be the one. So it's going to be noisy for a minute. And this is what we got. There's two lots. One was a vintage jewelry lot. The other should be my bracelet. Oh my gosh, that looks beautiful. There it is. Woohoo! So in my unboxing, I found this sterling silver bracelet and this one, and I've just fallen in love with sterling silver. Then I got this carnelian ring, and actually in the last Goodwill box, the 20-pound, I found this sweet little ring. Has a cross on it. It's sterling. I'm wondering if this is one of those commitment rings that young people or anyone actually can wear. I just thought it was cute and started wearing it. So that's why I was in love with the sterling silver ball bead bracelets. I wanted to get one a little bit bigger than what I have. Oh, it's going to be perfect. I love it. And it's going to fit just right too. I am so excited. I wonder if I can get it on now. I know I want to clean it up a bit, but it's just no, I can't. Oh, I'm so happy with this. It's just gorgeous. Love it. This was in the lot too. Not sure. I mean, I guess it's copper. They didn't say if it was sterling. It's cute, but this was the baby I was after. Other lot said vintage necklaces. I think it said beaded necklaces. Oh yeah, that's right. It said that there was a little trinket box. This is cute. I know there's a stone missing, but it's still sweet. I don't have anything like this, so oh, I love it. I think I'll put my mom's high school ring in there. Just have a special place to keep it. Polish it up. Find something to put there. Oh, and maybe there and there and there. Anyway, a lot of fun to get extra items in a jewelry box. Wow, these are not plastic. They're definitely all metal. They're very beautiful gold tone beads. Oh, and it has a hang tag that says, let's try or zoom in. The phone actually does pretty good focusing on its own, but and that's what it says. I won't be able to see through the phone, so I'll still have to look through my loupe. Let's back out again. Park Lane. I love Park Lane. Their items are gorgeous. Gold tone Park Lane beaded necklace. This is definitely going to be worn by me and sold maybe at a later date. Beautiful, just beautiful. Oh, here's a sparkly. Red sparkly Aurora Borealis finish on some of these. Bracelet. It's gold tone. I see one missing. And they do say that sometimes there'll be pieces missing, but there really shouldn't be a lot of pieces missing. If there is, then they should have listed it as you know, a craft lot. But again, this is a great thrift store that I order from, and they're usually really good, but that's just beautiful. I don't know that I have a stone like that, but I could either sell it with the notice that there's a stone missing and someone can fix it, or see if I could fix it someday. I don't want to use my nails too much as a tool, so... Oh, there's a signature. Okay, let's see if I can get it close enough for you to see. Oh. iPhone, you are amazing. So, it's a Lisner. It's a Lisner, and I'm showing you the name upside down, but you get it. Wow. Is that gorgeous? I'll have to take a look at Lisner bracelets and see how they do. Nice bangles. Oh, and they're connected together. That's fun. They look to be silver tone, but then there's some gold on them as well. I'm not sure if they started out gold. I don't think so. I think they were meant to be both, like gold tone, silver tone. And is that the 1928 swirlies? Not sure. Well, this is sweet. Little ID bracelet. Let's see, it's in beautiful script. What do you think? Maybe a J, L. Oh boy, I don't know. It's cute though. Not seeing any marks yet, but I'll take a look at it closer later. Nice. This has a copper finish inside. I see there's a name, but I'm not sure what this material is yet. I'll have to study up if I can show you the name. There's a lot of glare. Okay, you probably see it. Now I need to. M-A-T-I-S-S-E. Matisse Renard. So I guess I'm showing my noobness because I don't recognize that name, but I'm going to have a lot of fun learning who that is. This is adorable. Cream, wood grain, and then a darker brown. It's, let's see what I can use. Feels like a harder plastic, like a acrylic. Very cute. A couple more bangles. Sort of cloisonne, not technically, I don't think, but I think a lot of people are calling this cloisonne these days anyway. We're getting enough light on it. Let's see. So that's pretty. Inside of this one is white color, and inside of that one is a black color. Okay. Nice, what feels like glass pearls. They are knotted in between. A nice silvery color. Ah, all the way scratched off. So, okay. That might not be fair. So that could have been in a craft lot. It's going to have to be now. All right. We have, what do we have? Oh, a key ring maybe? And it does say something on it. It says Whiting and Davis. Oh, lovely. Very fancy Whiting and Davis key ring. So when you're going out with your Whiting and Davis mesh metal purse, you can carry your keys fancy. I see some really sparkly gorgeousness here. Wow. That's a beauty. That's really different. I love the emerald cut stones. And then this is called rhinestone chain, I think. There's one missing there. So again, oh, my thrift store, I don't know what's happening to them. A couple missing in the back. Alright, we're going to see how many things have items missing. This is gorgeous. This is why I ordered it. It reminds me of the Moon Glow. I think it is Moon Glow. Probably just needs a little cleaning up. Let's see, let me grab something here. And I think once it's cleaned up, it's going to look beautiful. I love the colors. I love the older barrel clasp. I just think that's stunning. In love with Moon Glow. Let's have a look at the barrel clasp and see if it might possibly be sterling. Check it out with my loop. Okay, I don't want to take too long looking. Not seeing anything. But I could check with my magnet. It's not magneting. Yeah, so I'll look at that closer and let you all know what I find. But they're not knotted in between. I don't think they really need to be with the Moon Glow. So beautiful. Just really beautiful. We have a nice clip-on, really good size pearl. And this looks like a piece of maybe a concho belt or that style. It's certainly pretty. I don't know what to say of the metal. Maybe copper with a bronze finish. The chain is really pretty. It also has a touch of bronze color to it. Not seeing a clasp either. So, very lovely look. And a very different piece. This is also why I ordered this box. I saw that these were glass. And I'm learning about glass. Trying to learn about check glass. There's different art glass out there. And this just looked beautiful to me. I hope there's nothing wrong with it. It's an amber color, has chips of something inside. And as always, please share in the comments below. I'm sure that lots of you watching probably know a lot about jewelry. And I'd love it if you share with me. Really would appreciate it. I didn't expect to see anything on the clasp, but out of habit, I guess I looked. So, a barrel clasp does appear to be the original. The coloring of the metal is all consistent with what's there. So, what do you think? What would you call that? Art glass, amber color, swirl chip. Also has little beads in between. And apart from that, it's just beautiful. And there's another glass piece, so while we're on the subject, let's look at this one too. Oh my. Okay, this is the clasp, which is a heart stopper to begin with. And I do see some verdigris. I'm gonna have to clean that. Oh, I see it on each of the filigree bead cap ends. So I don't want to handle this much. I will see what I can do about cleaning it. But look at the glass. Is that stunning? It's a butterscotch, looks like a butterscotch sundae. Beautiful, beautiful, but now I'm concerned about that, so I'm gonna go get something to wash my hands. Here is our beautiful baby, safely put away in a bag. Let's see what I can do with that. Now we have this gold tone tassel necklace. Really nice weight to it. Look how beautifully that's done. This is so pretty. Gorgeous. It's 3 chains, as you can see, and are there 3 different? No, there's 2 Rollo type chains with a textured finish, and then this sort of Figaro style 3rd chain. But it looks great together. Has a fold over clasp. And it's lovely. Oops, I lost the end that it clasped onto. Oh, there it is. Got it. Okay, that can't be. Is that what it clasped onto? That wouldn't seem right to me. Well, I don't want to just put it back on there. I think I'll take a look at it. But otherwise, this is very nicely done. Swirl design. Got a really good heavy weight to it. So it's beautiful. Wasn't that expensive of a lot, so for what I already got, it's well worth it. Especially this bracelet that we already looked at. Okay. Couple of excuse me, silver tone pieces. I think it's looking more difficult than it is. Actually, maybe it's 1 piece. All right, let's treat it as 1 piece. It is. Okay. So, okay, I think it's supposed to do all of that. I wish you could see. I think that's how it hangs. Or is it just... Maybe not. Alright, I think you get the idea. Once I untangle it, it'll probably look something like this. It has what appears to be a glass stone inside. It's, I don't want to say smoky quartz, it's more of a greenish, but it's pretty. And it looks like a locket on it as well. Anybody home? Silver tone, 3 chain, a couple of pendants, lots of fancy design. These are all just extras to me. I really like the moon glow, the glass, this, and certainly that bracelet. Oh wow. Let's put the rattly bag aside. So here's our other pearl earring. So sweet. Okay, so if they clip them on this way, they would look like that. Ah, just so sweet. These are scarf clips, is that right? Nothing really fancy about it. Not bad, but not fancy. This, I didn't know what they were when I was looking at the listing, but now I can see they're earrings. They really need some cleanup. Let's see if I polish one up, how it would look. Do a quick polish. Well, I think it's going to take some elbow grease, and I ordered a new polishing rag, but interesting. Clip-on metal earrings. Then we have this locket, Millefiori style. I guess it is Millefiori. You can't really fake that. Let me have a close look. Yeah, it is. Not sure how they would get it in here. Well, if you guys know, please let me know. Okay, can you see on the side? Inside of there? It looks as if this is attached on top of a stone and then put on the pendant. So could someone actually paint all of that? I can't see how. Who's home? Knock, knock. Nobody's home. It's on a silver tone chain. I like the back. Nice piece to wear for sure. It has an older spring ring clasp. And just another interesting necklace for sure. And what about this sweet thing? There's some roses. That's a great focus. Very sweet roses with some blue color leaves. I'm assuming they're painted on. I do see some copper. So whatever gold tone was over copper. And it looks to be painted on acrylic. I'll have a closer look at the design. Oh yeah, I would say that's hand painted. Very lovely. Lobster claw, not sure if that's the original clasp. I would say no, but again, I'm not an expert. I'm just someone that has the nerve to make a YouTube video as a newbie. So I hope other newbies are enjoying this and realizing that anyone can do this if you really want to. So here's my favorites. I love the moon glow. I love this. It's going to look really beautiful with some cleaning. We've got, all tangled, this gorgeous glass necklace. Stunning. This one as well. I hope we can save it with the verdigris. Oh my gosh, the Park Lane gold beaded necklace. Wow. This bracelet, I already forgot the name of it. This Lisner, should have known. Lisner bracelet, stunning. I wish I could make a thumbnail with this picture, but as a new video maker, they don't allow us to make our own thumbnails yet, so my thumbnails are all whatever YouTube chooses. This is very pretty. If you wore it with it, it's very nice. Those are my favorites. The keychain, that's sweet too. The little box. And these, oh, pearl earrings. So sweet. So I'm happy. I really like what I got. I really love my sterling silver ball bead bracelet. Maybe you'll see me wearing it in the next video. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this small lot from Goodwill on eBay. See you next time.